Attention! Exploit this $690 billion software selling market and grab your profit share. The software selling website industry is exploding like crazy. What if you could effortlessly create and profit from cutting-edge software selling websites in just minutes? Are you ready to tap into a massive life-changing opportunity? Introducing SoftSites, the world's first Canyon and AppSumo killer app that creates self-updating software selling websites preloaded with done-for-you, high-in-demand cloud-based apps, SaaS software, mobile apps, WordPress plugins, WordPress themes, educational apps, PHP scripts, HTML templates, and so much more. In any language, in just 60 seconds flat. Here's the mind-blowing features. Create stunning software selling sites using just a single keyword. Instantly load your site with 1,000 plus best-selling DIY cloud-based apps, SaaS software, WordPress plugins, PHP scripts, HTML templates, and more. Launch software selling sites in your preferred niche and language. Access 500 plus done-for-you best-selling cloud-based apps. Utilize 300 plus done-for-you WordPress plugins. Choose from over 500 plus stunning software website templates. Select from 400 plus jaw-dropping WordPress themes. Get daily updates with the latest apps and plugins news. Add unlimited custom domains and subdomains. Enjoy built-in unlimited lifetime web hosting. Use the built-in AI blog writer. Collect unlimited leads with the built-in software client lead finder. Rank your software websites on the first page of Google. Benefit from built-in automatic device responsiveness. Easily integrate your website with social media platforms. Get real-time assistance with AI-driven live chat support. Commercial license included. Create and sell as many assets as you like to your clients. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. SoftSites is the new big game changer. SoftSites simplifies everything. No coding or expensive developers are needed. Just follow 3 simple steps. Step 1. Describe your ideal site with a text command. Step 2. Customize with the preloaded tools. Step 3. Start profiting by selling on platforms like Amazon Appstore, GitHub, Fiverr, and Flippa, earning up to $1,000 daily on autopilot. Unleash the true success with SoftSites. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your online business effortlessly. Click the link below to watch SoftSites in action now.